I don't think it was recording. I don't know yet.
Life before Battleborn. This
I know
is
what
what
you're gonna
it's
say.
like.
We spent the whole day. We spent the whole day at the yacht boat show. Just one single fan running,
One fan over there.
and now our batteries are
I
dead.
got the coach running for a while to charge the batteries because we can't even make it through a day without stuff dying.
And let's not even bring up the fridge that's been hot for 3 days.
Oh yeah, no fridge. We got nothing. We basically have a bed and we're back to creepy van, bed in a van down by the river. That's where we're at. Yeah, so we need total systems. We need new batteries, we need a charger, we need an inverter, we need solar, we need fridge. We basically need a new RV. We don't need a new RV. We like our RV. We just need all new systems.
Yeah.
And in its defense, it is a 20-year-old RV, so we knew we'd have to do some upgrades rolling into this.
Today is like Christmas. We ordered all of our solar, lithium, and components for the RV.
Went down to the Miami Boat Show a few weeks ago to interview pretty much everybody that sold lithium batteries, and what we came away with was a company that we were really excited to work with, and more importantly, they were excited to work with us. So the new batteries are from Battleborn. 100 amp hours a piece.
So excited.
That was the other really cool thing about working with Dragonfly and Battleborn is these guys talked us through the Rialta. We went over distances from A to B on everything. And
They knew our rig.
They knew our rig, and then they helped us spec out cable sizes. They helped us spec out fuses that were needed. So hopefully this is less of a science project than we had on the boat, because we wound up making some, we're not experts in this, so along the way on the boat we had some tough lessons where we made some mistakes here and there. And
That's a really good point. We don't know what we're doing.
So you think doing boat projects is cramped and tiny? Wait until you do RV projects in a 22-foot RV. Because I'm telling you, this is crazy. On the upside, well, she's gutted right now, it won't take very long to put 22 feet back together. Right, huge step happening today. These Interstate Deep Cycle Marine RV batteries are coming out. Actually, I think there's only one. And in their place, we're about to have lithium. Bom, bom, bom.
Battleborn.
Here come the Battleborn lithium batteries going into their new home.
I've been prepping the whole. Don't giggle.
It's really hard not to. Alright, so we got two of these bad boys. We will have 200 amp hours. We've got these guys and a whole slew of components we purchased to put inside the RV to make it, off-grid. What are you making?
Just putting the finishing touches on our control panel.
Can we see it?
Replacing this that was in there, TV selector with the battery monitor and the remote inverter controller.
Oh, that's just the on-off switch. We were trying to figure out what that was.
Yeah, that's all it is.
Sweet.
So
Oh,
you don't have to go to Bluetooth just to flip the inverter on. You just flip that little switch.
cool. So we were smart to buy that. Awesome.
Yes.
And it
Now I
looks
gotta go
like
fit it in the RV and make sure it fits.
it looks like a 12 volt too. You cigarette lighter over there, action going on.
Yeah, this was in the original install, so it's powered already to the location, so I left it there. And then this powers a 110 switch in the TV cubby. I don't know that we'll need it, but I went ahead and put it in the switch.
Let's go see if it fits.
It's not gonna fit. I know it's not gonna fit. I gotta fit it.
Oh. Well, let's go not fit it. Alright, so our control panel goes up here. under that handy dandy television set that will probably be removed at some point.
Just looking to see how much I've got to cut away of this panel without cutting refrigeration lines and other stuff.
Sweet. And eventually I will be painting that, the wood, I suppose. We'll make it match. Cool.
Yesterday we spent, I don't know, a couple hours trying to fish a tape behind all this stuff to run messengers, because we got to pull cables today. We got to get 110 power to the inverter, and we got to get 110 power back to where we plug into the shore power.
All right, so we still have one line.
Is that the one?
Yep, that's me. But a couple others came out.
We'll just pull a messenger through with each line that we run. We'll just make sure we tie a cable in so we can pull the next cable.
Alright, so we're tying off the line to the cable we have to run.
You always want to tape the nose of these off to make it nice and streamlined so the tips and the wires don't catch other things as you're pulling it through.
Okay.
You can see we've got another messenger attached to this, so as we pull one cable through, we're going to load the messenger through there to pull the next cable.
Okay, solar panel going in.
We got this installed so at a later date I can put brackets on it to tilt it. So we're lining it up so it just clears the AC. And now we're about to put more big holes in the RV. Ugh. A couple of Rialta specific parts on the systems install that we did. We removed the generator, and then we also removed the converter charger that was in place here. And then we use the existing wiring. You can see this yellow cord that runs up front to the inverter. This is where the old converter actually plugged into. And then this union box right here is where the Generac tied into the Rialta system. So we have the orange cord coming in from the inverter. So that allows us to use basically the inverter as the generator and power all the systems in the Rialta. Okay, as far as system upgrades that we've done, we took the original house batteries out and we installed two Battleborn lithium batteries. They're 100 amp hours each. We also upgraded the what was a converter charger into an inverter charger from Victron. This is a 2000 watts. Utilizes the original Rialta pickups in the back. So when we flip this switch right here, we've basically powered all of the 110 outlets in the coach, and it's also a charger for the lithium battery. I'm not sure if you can see it back here, but on the top we have an Orion, which is also another Victron component. That's a DC to DC charger. That takes 12 volt power off of the batteries, off of the start battery, and powers this unit that actually then will also charge the lithium batteries. And then down below that is an MPPT Victron solar controller for the 190 watt solar panel that we have on the roof of the coach. Here's a breakdown of all the components we use to upgrade Lolo's systems and get her into the 21st century. It is the 21st century, isn't it? We really hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions about the system install, get a hold of us at www.sailinglunacy.com. If you're interested in setting up your own system, be sure and contact the service techs at battlebornbatteries.com. They are awesome to work with. Or just click the link below and be sure and tell them Lunacy sent you.